Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to go AFK on Roblox on macOS without getting kicked. Alright, let's begin. First, open Roblox and join the game where you want to stay AFK. After that, open the Automator app on your Mac. Automator is already installed on macOS, so you do not need to download anything extra. Once Automator opens, create a new document and select the Quick Action option. After that, use the search bar inside the library and look for the loop action. Add the loop action into your workflow and change the settings like me. Now, click the record option and return to your Roblox game. Perform a simple action like jumping or moving around slightly so the game detects activity. Avoid standing near areas where accidental clicks could spend Robux or trigger purchases. When you are done recording, stop the recording and return back to Automator. Save the quick action if needed, then press the run button. The automation will now repeat the movement you recorded, helping your character stay active in the game without being disconnected for inactivity. So that's basically how you can go AFK on Roblox on macOS. That's it for this video. Thanks.